I got into one company, उसका एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट क्लियर कर दिया था, बट जेडी में
This semester is very pressurized semester for everything. Hello everyone, welcome to a day in my life as a college student in Christ University. So from this semester the classes starts from 9:30 and ends at 3:30. I reached college early, 10 minutes early, so I was just checking up the mail and reading the current news of the day. First class was money and banking, which is the elective of the economics. In final year you get electives, so you have to choose in between, but in our case we have to choose everything. There was no elective, no option. So guys, my mental health is very down right now. I'm not able to focus on anything, to be very honest. This semester is very pressurized semester for everything, or my friend is convincing me a lot every day now because I need that. It's happening with me only or with other two final years, I don't know. Maybe I'm taking the pressure a lot because my friend is playing with her. I don't know. To be very honest, in final year you get little pressure because you have to decide what you're gonna do after this, what career path you're gonna take, also how you will become financially independent. But with that, don't forget to enjoy your last year of college because this is gonna be most memorable thing. Basically you have to manage everything. It's not just one, but you have to manage everything. By the way, this is the auditorium which is constructing in the Yashwantpur campus, and I think this is one of the biggest auditorium of the Christ. After that, we had a placement attribute seminar where he was talking about how to write a good resume and also how to clear an interview process. So, talking about placements things, basically the company comes to your campus and then you have to register if you're interested for that. After that you registered, then there is a pre-placement talk with the company, and then all the registration process and selection process goes on.
let's do skincare and I'll give you life updates also कि how is my final year going on. So the first thing, placement start हो गई है and आज एक कंपनी का वो प्री प्लेसमेंट टॉक भी था, बट पता नहीं मेरे रजिस्ट्रेशन में बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब कुछ दिक्कत आ गई जिससे मेरे को रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक मिला नहीं, मतलब प्री प्लेसमेंट लिंक मिला नहीं, तो बहुत ज़्यादा आई थिंक डिसअपॉइंटमेंट हो रही है क्योंकि एकदम अच्छे से पढ़ा था मैंने, वो थोड़ा बहुत गलती हो गया होगा, पता नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता, ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं, ठीक है, इट्स ओके। और आई गॉट इन टू वन कंपनी, उसका एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट क्लियर कर दिया था, बट जेडी में भाई बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लोग थे, हैव टू इम्प्रूव अ लॉट टू मी, ठीक है चलो। उसके बाद फिर एक में भी और शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ था बट एप्टीट्यूड नहीं निकाल पाए, सो अभी चल रहा है ऐसे ही, और बहुत सारा थोड़ा तो प्रेशर है कि हाँ कुछ जॉब वॉब मिल जाए, पर लेट्स सी क्या होता है। इट्स टोटली वी ऑल डोंट नो, लाइक इवन आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग विद माय लाइफ राइट नाउ।
So this is the other day of the college. I got late for the first periods. I was reading the newspaper in the library. I always make sure that I do read newspaper every day because it helps me to improve my vocabulary, pronunciation, as well as it helps me to keep updated with all the things. I always advise everyone to read the newspaper. It is very helpful. So the second period was graph theory. It is also one of the elective of the math class. He didn't teach anything, he just gave us free hours, so I was making my to-do list and was talking to my friend. Literally in this semester we do not get any free hour. We have classes continuously from 9:30 to 3:30, and on Fridays we have classes from 9:30 to 4:30 continuously. After that we had urban economics class. She just gave us to read the book. She always makes me late. अभी हमारा सेमिनार है, hurry up and now.
But the final year has taught me that how to manage everything, because you have to do a lot of things in your final year. So you have to segregate the time for each of the things, that for particular task you give this particular time, so that you can do everything. It's not just about your placements, it's not just about your marks, it's just not about your career, also your passion. You follow your passion as well. After coming back from college, I went to play table tennis because I really don't want to stop practicing, because this is the thing which I really love to do, and you cannot stop doing the things which you love because of college, because of hectic schedules, or because you are in final year. Not just because of that. Always follow your passion. You just have to balance everything. So this video is after coming from Chennai. I went to Chennai for my eye and skin checkup. बहुत ज़्यादा health issues हो रहा था, तो उसका मैं एक शॉर्ट डाल दूँगी इन डिटेल कि मुझे एक्चुअली हुआ क्या है. एंड दिस इज़ आफ्टर माई एग्ज़ाम्स ऑल्सो, तो हमें इस टाइम आंसर शीट्स वगैरह और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रही थी. So our first class was money and banking, where she was teaching about history of banking, which was super interesting class. After that, I got a break of 5 to 6 minutes, so I was just going out and roaming. देन वी गॉट इकोनोमेट्रिक्स का पेपर मिड सेम एग्ज़ाम्स. उसका भी ब्लॉगिंग मैंने किया नहीं था बिकॉज उस पूरे टाइम मेरी तबीयत ख़राब थी इसलिए. बट नेक्स्ट एंड सेम मैं पक्का करूँगी. देन दिस इज़ द मार्क्स विच आई गॉट. आई थिंक इट इज़ नॉट शोइंग, बट 3 मार्क्स बढ़ गए थे और ज़्यादा. एंड लिटरली मैं एकदम पेपर बहुत मुश्किल से दिया है बिकॉज माई आईज़ वॉज सो पेनिंग. बट उसके हिसाब से मेरे मार्क्स बहुत बहुत बेटर आए हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी हैड लीनियर अलजेब्रा का पीरियड. उसमें भी शी टॉट अबाउट सेकेंड यूनिट. After that, we had lunch and then we went to seminar hall for seminar on societal issues, and also we got service learning ka certificate, which we did service learning last semester uska. Also, if you guys want me to make more placements blogs and which all companies come, how to register, how to prepare for it, so do let me know in the comment section. I'll make the video on it as well. After coming from college, I had snacks and went to gym. I tried to go to gym during morning time, but हो नहीं पाया because बहुत ज़्यादा थक जाती थी पूरे दिन. So अभी तो I am going in evening. और the last advice I would like to give is that चाहे जितना भी hectic हो जाए schedule or you're busy so much, always try to take 1 hour for yourself, for your health. It's very important. चाहे आप college में हो, anywhere in the life, so it's very important to give some time for your health. That's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.